Sri Mahavir Marwadi High School welcomes you. Hello friends, we are going to discuss through this video about the parts of speech, which is very important part of our grammar for English. So let us see what are the parts of speech. My dear friends, when we speak, we use words and sentences. Sentences are group of words meaningfully ordered in a proper sequence. So my dear friends, these words are divided into different kinds or classes. These classes are called parts of speech according to their use. When we use any word, we use it for its proper use. हम जब कोई भी शब्द का यूज़ करते हैं बोलते समय, तो हम जिस शब्द की आवश्यकता हो उसी शब्द का उपयोग करते हैं. So according to their use, they are classified into their parts, and these parts are parts of speech. And the 8 parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. My dear friends, further we will see what are their use into the sentence and why we use these parts of speech. Before going to discuss each and every parts of speech, let us see some sentences. First is, Akbar was a great king. His courage won him honor. He is a brave boy. The girl made masks for relatives. You are watching videos. Students of class 9th are on the ground and they are playing football. She lives in a small village. My dear friends, in each these sentences, the words are colored differently. Let us see why they are colored in such way. So, the words which are in red color, Akbar, king, honor, boy, the girl, mask, students of class 9th, ground, football and village. All these words are presenting name of a person, quality of a person, things and place. So the words presents any person's name, thing's name, quality of a person and name of a place is known as noun. So noun का वर्क क्या होता है? किसी भी सेंटेंस में किसी पर्सन, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट या थिंग, किसी प्लेस, इन सभी का नाम हमें बताना. So noun is a name of a person, place, pupil, thing, quality. Now we will see the words which were in green color. They are brave and small. Brave and small both are showing a speciality of a person and place. So my dear friend, the words which shows any speciality of any noun is known as adjectives. And at third we will see the words which were in yellow color were he, his, they and she. All these words are presenting the noun. These words are used in place of noun, and that is why they are known as pronoun. My dear friends, when we say the students of class 9th are on the ground and they are playing football, here we have avoided the repetition of noun, and at first we have used the noun, and in the secondly we have used pronoun instead of that noun. So pronoun is representing the noun, and it is very awkward to use same noun oftenly in a single sentence. So to avoid such kind of repetition of noun, we use pronoun, and pronoun is that word which is used in place of noun. And again, the words which were in black: watching, playing and leaves. Watch, play and leave, all these three are action words. When we see these words, they are presenting some action. So these words are known as verb. Verb is a word which expresses some action. So my dear friends, now these were four parts of speech according to their use. We will see them separately. Before that, just understood what are their uses and how they are classified. We will see all the parts of a speech in our next video. It is not end here, it is continued. Thank you.